After searching and searching and searching, we found, thanks to an awesome Facebook suggestion, a nature preserve in Carmel. Do not ask me the name right now. I will put it at the bottom of the screen. Right about here. But anyways, it's peaceful rolling hills. One dog with an attitude. But so far really nice. I'll get some footage in a second. But no hunters. No giant dually trucks taking up the whole entire parking lot. Since this is the first day of hunting season, and nothing against hunters, it's just a little frustrating. Now, excuse me, gotta go catch my kid. Oh, and as you can see, I'm not really wearing hunter-friendly colors today. So, we'll take some video footage of this place and share it with our YouTube people.
What are they want? They're so pretty.
Go ahead.
Hiya, buddy. You see all the walk? See what the father tree got to save you a little bit. So, I just let you know I hear a predator. And what I tapped it down, Mama.
You kick it down?
No. So what's the answer for you today?
You need to figure a way down. That's the answer.
Okay, bye everybody.
Still meandering through the woods. She found a rock. Orange trail.
Oh, so busy.
Ingenuity. She came up with this on her own.
Now you just
Noodles jumped on. She sunk Abby's way back to shore. So now Abby is stuck on a giant rock. What shall Abby do? Dilemma of the day. And life's giant adventure. And I'm really too fat to go in there because I stink really bad.
I think I have an idea, Mom.
What?
You find another one over.
I swear, child, if I go in, I'm not going to be amused. Here, now go, because I'm holding it down. Go. Go. It's not going to turn because my weight's on it. Just go. We made it back to the trail. We bushwhacked our way through. I'm a little muddy, but we made it back to a trail.
And I almost stuck.
And Abby almost sunk. Yeah, she'd be dramatic. Seriously, dude. At least go into the bushes to pee. You do not pee in the middle of the trail. And leave your pee rags in the middle of the trail. At least it wasn't a poop. But still, that is gross. I don't need to see that.
Hi, everybody. I bought a big fitter hunt. I'll be finding that big fitter.
She's going on a buried treasure hunt, and she's going to go try to find her next big treasure. Arg. Someone lost their hunting clothes. Now the question is there a naked hunter around here somewhere? Because someone does not have their hunting safety clothes on. And back to the car. And the disgusting mess everybody made. Dill Wildlife Sanctuary.